Yes. What card you have?
Goat.
Goat. Good. And yes,
Dog.
Nivish Kumar. Dog. Good. What do you have, Shreya?
Duck.
Duck. And yours, Hanish?
Sheep.
Sheep. These are all farm animals. Yes? These are all farm animals. Let's match with its sound and baby. Let's see farm animal sounds. Shivanya, what is that?
It is sheep sound, Baba.
Good.
It is duck sound. Quack quack. It is goat sound. Bleat bleat. But bow bow.
Which animal sound is this?
Duck.
Good. Miss Atvika. Now let's see the young ones. Animals name, farm animals, young ones. What do you have, Atvika?
Lamb.
Where is your pair?
Sheep.
Okay, go. Go and stand with your pair. What do you have, Nikhilesh?
Puppy.
Puppy. Where is your pair? What is that?
Dog.
Dog. Dog young one is?
Puppy.
Puppy. Okay, go. Next you, Jay Chola. Show like this. What is this?
Duck.
Okay, where is your pair?
Duck.
Yes, duckling is the young one of duck. What card you have? Show your card. Show your kid. Okay. Where is your pair? Okay, good. Go and pair with